I've said a lot of terrible things to you. But I know you never... Maybe you don't want to talk to me. Let me finish. However, my heart was broken. It's always gonna be broken.
When I woke up, I found myself beyond the ground. I took a breath, I'm done with this world. And I sat on my ass, and thought about stupid things in my head. And now I just sit by myself. I talk to myself. I talk to myself. It's stupid enough to think that I still got a lot of faith in my stupid fake friends. I'm stuck here. I'm stuck here. Just a man with no plan, and that's alright with me. I've given up on everything since '09, and I know I'll be fine.
But I don't have to carry. I said things that... I should fucking burn it out for what I said to you. It was just...
No.
I'm just sorry.
I can't.
I love you. Maybe I shouldn't say that.
No, you can say that.
It's just...
I'm sorry, I've got to go.
We couldn't have lunch.
I'm really sorry, I don't think so. I thank you for saying everything that you
You
said.
can't just die.
I'm not.
Honey.
I want you to be happy.
Honey, I see you walking around here. And I just want to tell you.
I would want to talk to you, Randy. Please,
Please,
I'm
you gotta know what. I don't want to torture you.
You're not torturing me.
I just want to tell you that I was wrong.
No. You understand? There's nothing there. There's nothing there.
That's not true. That's not true.
You don't understand. And I don't know what this... I know you understand. I've got to go. I'm sorry.